My Honda CB400 Super 4 is suffering from chronic misfires, but that ends today. I had already checked the battery, shooting coils, lead wires, plug caps, spark plugs, compression, and even serviced the carburetor to ensure all were alright. But the bike was still misfiring past 5,500 RPM. Now, this is the part of this build that nearly had me quitting. We'd been troubleshooting for over a month now with near none success. We even tried altering airflow using cones made from plastic cups, but that too didn't work. Putting back the stock airbox made things even worse, with the bike's power plateauing at 8k RPM. So, it was back to the drawing book once more. After intense research, a dozen Facebook posts, DMs, and phone calls, I had my breakthrough. Turns out, it was an electrical issue. How, you ask? Well, at 5,500 RPM, the rev limiter in the CDI will cut voltage to the bike, consequently hindering sparking in some cylinders at higher RPMs, hence the bogging. This came with some backfires too. There's a lot of technical jargon to it, but I'll save that for another video. The solution? Bypassing the limiter. I did it by connecting the wire with an orange-blue stripe from the CDI to the fan fuse, but later learned a CDI swap would have sufficed. Only downside is if the CDI is stocked from the manufacturer, it has to be reprogrammed to suppress the rev limiter. And with that, the misfires were gone for good. Now I could focus on the more fun stuff. Follow this page to see what happens next.